Assalamu alaikum dear students. Thank you very much for your trust and encouragement. Today we are going to solve this question. This is from Chemistry Matters and Chapter 2 Exercise Question. Chapter 2 Experimental Techniques and Measurements. Imagine you are working in a laboratory that makes tablet for relieving indigestion. The tablet work by reacting with water or acid in the stomach. Carbon dioxide gas is produced as a result. You are asked to determine if taking the tablet with alcohol will affect the speed at which the tablet works. So state the aim of your investigation. So what is this aim of your investigation? As it is already written here, it is to investigate if taking tablet for relieving indigestion with alcohol would affect the speed at which the tablet works. Or you can also say it is to investigate if the addition of alcohol slows down the reaction between indigestion tablets and water. So this is the aim of this investigation. Now in part B, describe how you will carry out your investigation, including diagram of your experimental setup. You can use any or all of the operators below. You are provided by 3 flasks of 100 centimeter cube, 3 balloons, 3 rubber band, 3 indigestion tablets, water, alcohol, measuring cylinder, stopwatch, mass balance. So before starting this investigation, you need to think about 3 variables which you always consider for planning of practical. And what are these variables? One is called independent variable. Other one is called dependent variable. And third one is called controlled variable. To plan any experiment, you need to think about what is my independent variable, what is dependent, and what is controlled. So for independent variable is a chosen variable or a variable which you can change. For example, volume of alcohol you can change. What is dependent variable? Dependent variable is a variable which depends on this chosen variable. So if you add volume of alcohol, by adding more volume of alcohol, what would be affected in your experiment? So it is volume of carbon dioxide evolved in a given time. So what are the factors which you need to control or which you have to fix for finding that investigation? So in controlled factor, you need to fix volume of water, have to take mass of tablet, fixed mass of a tablet, and you have to also fix the time of reaction. So for example, consider you have to check the reaction for 1 minute. So these are the factors which you control. Then you can check this volume of alcohol, effect of volume of alcohol, and its outcome, which is volume of carbon dioxide evolved. I hope you understand, and we will discuss it in the planning part, planning of a experiment or a procedure of this experiment, right? In the first step, using a measuring cylinder, measure out 25 centimeter cube of water, each into 2 conical flasks. These are conical flasks, and you measure out 25 centimeter cube through this by using this measuring cylinder. 25 centimeter cube we added to in this conical flask, 25 centimeter cube we added to in this flask. Now, in the second step, add 5 centimeter cube of alcohol in one of the flask. So, we have taken 5 centimeter cube with this measuring cylinder and added alcohol in this flask, in one of the flask. And in the third step, in these flask, in which you have taken water, and in this you have taken mixture of alcohol and water. Attach a balloon containing 1 indigestion tablet to the mouth of each flask using a rubber band. So you have taken indigestion tablet added into the balloon, and these balloon you have to attach through thread, tie up them with thread. You attach balloon here, right? These are the balloons, and these balloons already contain the indigestion tablet. They are tied with rubber bands, and they contain indigestion tablet in it. Now, what? Now, when the balloon is secure, drop the indigestion tablet into the flask and start the stopwatch once the tablet enters the water. So, here you need to start. You have a stopwatch. So, when you drop this into the flask, start the stopwatch. In the last step, observe the size of the balloon after around 1 minute. As you know, you have fixed time. You are controlling time. You have taken time as a controlled variable, and in given time, you are observing which balloon has the more amount of carbon dioxide. So this will explain how adding alcohol affect the speed at which tablet work. And how the tablet work? You can see it by the change. And what is that change? That change is the volume of carbon dioxide which is collected in this balloon. Okay, so that's it, and let me share complete diagram with you step by step. So this is your practical. In first step you have taken water, in second step you measure out 5 cm³ of alcohol in one of the flask, then you tie up the balloon which already contain a tablet, and you just drop them into the flask and start the stopwatch and till 1 minute, and observe the size of the balloon, through which you would be able to know the effect of alcohol on the speed of reaction.